there at the end in 3, 2, and a 1. Here we go.
3,800.
Alrighty, you two in the front seat are now free to chat with each other. You can go ahead and use that black button on the left side of your stick. Push and hold to talk and let go once you're done.
Hey there.
Hey there, Delilah.
Hey. The A5, whenever you are ready, is clear to crossover. Go ahead and look over at that red plane on our right side, hon.
Vivian, look over here! Alright, here we go! Up over the top! Alright, let's go for it, send it!
Woo-hoo.
And they're gonna go up and over the top. And upside down. There we go. Oh shit, man. Crazy how that works. Oh my god, brown chicken, brown cow!
Yeah.
And a 1, 2, 3, and a 4.
A1 is in the green, code 2.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was fun.
Alrighty, we're just gonna keep an eye on you from up here. Alright.
We still see you.
Woohoo! A5, push lead.
A5, push lead right, phase 1, then place 90 right. Now we're going to do is call it an aileron roll. I'm going to bring the nose up about 30 degrees, stop pulling, and push that stick over my left leg, all with the stick, come back level with the horizon. You got the controls.
Vivian's feeling better. We're going to take it easy for a little bit, watch you guys, but I think
Good, bring the nose up, and over. Nice, good shit.
Easy peasy.
Alright, next one we're going to do is called a barrel roll. I'm going to bring that nose up 45 degrees. And put that stick into my back right hip here. Back right hip. I'm just holding it there. Come back level with the horizon. All the way around town. Just like that.
Alright.
Alright, you got the controls. Go for it. Nose up. Back right. There you go. Nice. There we go.
Alright.
Cool. Alright, here we go for a loop. I'm going to bring that stick just straight back here. Straight back. I'm looking at the horizon at the top of the loop. Which there it is. I'm going to ease off that pull, feeling light in the seat. And I'm starting to pull again. I'm going to, or as I point down, I'm going to start pulling again. Pulling, pulling, pulling. And back up to the horizon. And you got the controls. Hey, go for it. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Alright, go ahead and start easing back into that pull again. Pull, 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 a little more pressure. And there's the kill. Woo!
Yep.
Alright, you got the controls, keep them right there in the canopy. Flash out, controls. Nice, alright, they're in that right turn. Good, yep. Nice and stable here. Bring the nose up a little bit more. There you go. Reverse. Now switch direction now. Perfect. Alright, man, squeeze that trigger.
we're going to skip the roll.
Yeah.
This is the only one we're going to need our feet for. We're going to start pulling straight back here.
Okay.
I'll be looking out my left wing, so look left with me. Right about there. Stop pulling. And now I'm going to put my left foot all the way in. Or releasing my foot. Continue on the down line. And I'm gonna pull back.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
All right.
You know the smoke, huh?
Alright, you got the controls. Go ahead and pull straight back.
I got the controls.
Good. Look off your left point. Perfect. Stop pulling. Stop pulling. And put your left foot all the way in now. All the way. Yep. Just hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Woo. Nice. Release your foot. And roll it to the left here for me. Right there. Perfect. Pull back. Good. Yes. Nice job.
Tail slide to curve sim.
Next one, you do so tail slide. So this one straight up into vertical, like I said last time, but this time I'm bringing the throttle back, gets quiet, and I'm pulling on for G-LOC. We're gonna start falling backwards. Yee! Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
And we'll go ahead and recover on the same heading again. When we start falling backwards, alright, and I bring the throttle back, gets quiet, I want you to hold on to those controls. Like for dear life, don't let it move. Just keep it still, okay?
Copy.
Cool. You got the controls. Go for it.
I got the controls.
Right there. Stop pulling. All right. A little bit more forward. Forward, forward, forward. Right there. Just hold it right there. Just hold it. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Yes, sir. Nice job. Continue on the down line. Don't pull back yet. And now you can.
Oh. Oh.
There we go. I got the controls. Here we go. And forward, left. Oh yeah.
Okay.
How do I fix this? Just kidding.
Whoa.
Woo. Nice easy recovery here for ya. And here we go. Positive Z. Up, 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 and away we go! And what goes up must come down! Yee-hoo! Woo! We're gonna go ahead and grab those controls here. 3, 2, and a 1. Go, go, go! Alright. I don't know what to do. Here, come up to the right.
What are you guys doing over there?
I don't know.
It looked easier than that.
Left to left.
Left to left.
Happy on 14 Old Helly Ranch, 65 West Bushman.
Oh shit. Alright. Squeeze that trigger. Nice. Alright. I got the controls. And 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, they're off my left side, turning right here. You can continue to the right side here, turn right. Help her out here. Oh shit, they got us! Fucking
Woo! Gotcha!
Alright, sounds good, man. You asked for it. Holy shit, man, you're a fucking maniac! Woo!
Back up there, Whiskey Foxtrot, Northwest Big Tower, Roger. Are you familiar with Santa Fe?
I am familiar with Santa Fe.
Number 4 Whiskey Foxtrot, proceed direct Santa Fe for 128. At about 3,500.